Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We're working on Cruz's car today, Darth. If you don't follow it on Instagram, make sure you follow it. So he's got some issues with some light indicators that he needs to remove with the software. But is it the ABS, Cruz?
It's the airbag today.
The airbag light. So he's removing the front seat. What do you think that will do? Why are you removing the seat?
Just one of the codes is about the sensor on this seat. So I just checked a couple of channels and it just looks like sometimes the connector.
The connector there?
Have any issues, yeah.
So that might solve it, and we don't need them to clear the code, perhaps. Either way, we're connecting it to the computer and see what needs to be done. You can see how the car looks great. He's been doing a lot of detailing to it, you know, he's been working on some of the mechanics lately, and the car is looking fantastic. What I like the most are those wheels. Those used to be the wheels on Patty. They look much better on the black TT. So let's see how this goes. We'll update you in a minute. All right, so we removed the seat and we took the time to vacuum the carpet, so it's now clean. We're gonna check now with the software to see if the code clears. Let's see how that goes. All right, so we checked the cables to see if there was any damage, particularly on this one, which is where the ABS system is hooked to. The airbag, yep. Right, the airbag. So it looks good. Doesn't look like there's any damage. So we're gonna put it back and see if that solves the issue. Otherwise, we're gonna connect the software and see if there's any code. Let's see. All right, let's see where we are. So we put the seat back. You connected the battery now. Let's see. That will tell us if the light is still on. If not, then we'll have to use the software, right? Just say it.
We have to clear the software anyway.
Anyway, so we're clearing it. All right. Sounds good. Let's see what happens. You never know.
Clear by itself.
You never know. You never know.
Clear by itself.
All right. All right. Let's kick the software and see what happens here. So Cruz, let's just do the OBD. Make sure that it's all compatible. It's all good. Yeah. So let's do an auto scan and see what codes we get. All right, we got a couple of codes, but let's do the airbag test now and see what we get. It's taking too long, so I'm gonna edit this video. All right, guys, there's one code. Let's see what it says. Airbag igniter, driver's side N95 resistance too high. We're gonna Google that and see what needs to be done, but if anybody watching this video might have an answer, please post it in the comments. We'll appreciate that.